Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Claude on your PC or laptop. In this case, we're going to go to our preferred search engine and search for Claude. In the section, this tab that says Claude AI will appear. We go there and it will direct us to our Claude profile if we are logged in. At the bottom, we are going to find this little arrow that says Get Apps and Extensions. We click on it, and this section will appear stating that we can use Claude anywhere we work. In this case, we are going to use the first option that says Desktop. And we download it. In this case, I have Windows, so I'm going to download it here. I will place it in the Downloads folder, and it will start downloading. Once it has downloaded, right here we also have the steps that says open file, launch, and then Claude will install. But anyway, let's go to our downloads panel and the setup file will appear. We click on it and Claude will start downloading. Once installed, this window will pop up here where we click Get Start. You can activate your Claude account either with Google or with your email address. In this case, I'm going to sign it with Google because that's how I use my Claude account. I will click Continue and it will redirect us. In this case, I'm going directly over here. It loads and that's it. We can now use Claude from our PC. Everything from our profile will be loaded here and we can start using it right from here.